the issue for the coming issue, which is on caste census. We wanted to talk to him, and about also his vision and his life, and all the politics actually, and what he's looking for in Bihar. So Chirag ji, if you can talk a little bit about your vision and your politics. How is it different from your father? और आपने उस पे क्या ऐड किया? Because it's quite surprising that you have come up, to this point. भी 5 MP के साथ, you've got a ministry, and it seems like people of Bihar are loving you. So
I would want to believe that people of Bihar loves me, and yes, being a Bihari was one of the most important reason that I'm in politics. Besides the general perception of me being a Nepo kid, but honestly, I tried different careers before coming into politics. But that was when I actually realized that I need to go back to my state. I need to get into politics. You can't be standing on the fence and just criticizing, ye galat ho raha hai, ye galat ho raha hai, ye galat ho raha hai. Agar itni problem hai, then be the part of the system and try to bring in that change that you want to see. And that's when I decided that I will go back to my state. I'll go back to Bihar, and I'll start working for the people of my state, because living in Delhi, living in Mumbai, I actually see the condition that my people, they live in different cities, when they go out there for either for work or for education or whatever. और जिस हालत में वो वहाँ पे रहते हैं, ये चीज़ मुझे परेशान करती थी. And that's when I decided, and I told Papa that I want to come into politics, and he was more than happy. And so yes, वहाँ से मेरी शुरुआत हुई. बिहार फर्स्ट, बिहारी फर्स्ट के विजन के साथ मैं आगे बढ़ रहा हूँ. दैट इज़ माय विजन, जिसको लेकर मैं लंबे समय से मैं काम कर रहा हूँ. एंड और ये एक ऐसा विजन है जिसमें बिहार की हर समस्या का समाधान है. आई कैन पूरी गारंटी के साथ मैं कह सकता हूँ कि आप मुझे बिहार की कोई भी एक समस्या पूछ लें, भले वो पलायन को लेकर हो, भले वो अर्थव्यवस्था को लेकर हो, भले वो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को लेकर हो, भले वो एजुकेशन को लेकर हो, हेल्थ को लेकर हो, बाढ़ को लेकर हो, सुखाड़ को लेकर हो, आस्क मी एनी प्रॉब्लम एंड आई विल गिव यू अ सॉल्यूशन टू दैट. मैंने इतना काम किया है बिहार फर्स्ट, बिहारी फर्स्ट पे. सो यस, ये विजन है और ये कारण है.